to my video. It took some time to make for you. I hope you like it like I do. Give it thumbs up and comment too. I'm driving on my electric scooter, and I take you with me on my way. No need to stress or leave your chair. Join guiding me through the day. I'm driving on my electric scooter. Sit down, relax, enjoy the ride. Come with me on my electric scooter. And don't forget to like and subscribe. The ride takes place in the Netherlands, through the suburbs of Rotterdam. Harbor and the industry's not the only thing to see. I'm driving on my electric scooter, and I take you with me on my way. No need to stress or leave your chair. Joy guiding me through the day. I'm driving on my electric scooter. Sit down, relax, enjoy the ride. Come with me on my electric scooter. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Blue sky, green grass and colorful trees, and so much more amazing cities. Bridges, tunnels, waterside, every time another great ride. I'm driving on my electric scooter. Sit down, relax, enjoy the ride. Come with me on my electric scooter. Sit down, relax, enjoy the ride. Come with me on my electric scooter. And don't forget to like and subscribe.